Musik.
Turn right, and then turn right. Turn right.
Connections between UPM and the Mines Toll Plaza because of road closures, and traffic is also affected from Cerdán and Balafon. On the Federal Highway, there's a 20-minute jam from Amcot Mall towards Zapote because of a crash near KL Gateway, and on the Plus Highway, an accident is heading onto a 3-kilometer fault from Pedas Ligi towards Simpang Ampat, and that's blocking the right lane in both directions. Now, if you have anything unusual to report, send us a WhatsApp at 016-529-7777. I'll be back in half an hour with another Petron traffic update.
Petron traffic updates on Hits. Register for a Petron Miles card and activate to enjoy better value, better rewards, and better privileges. Details on PetronMiles.com. Feel happy with Petron.
Thank you, boss.